Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am making mango pachadi. This pachadi is specially made on Tamil New Year. Traditionally we add neem flowers into this. This pachadi has all the six tastes: sweet, sour, spicy, bitter, salty and astringent, just like our life, which is a combination of all the emotions. But the end result is wonderful and sweet, just like this pachadi. So let's start. Take two mangoes. Wash and peel the skin of mango. It is not necessary to take the skin fully. If you prefer, you can use mango with skin also. Chop mangoes into medium sized pieces. Also keep some small pieces. So both the mangoes are chopped and ready. These are neem leaves and flowers. I have already washed and dried it. We need only neem flowers for the pachdi. So we'll pluck the flowers and keep it aside. Take chopped mangoes in a pan, add 1/4 cup of water to it. Also add half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well and cook the mangoes on medium flame. You can also cook the mangoes in pressure cooker for 2 whistles. As the mangoes are cooking, in the meantime we will make the jaggery syrup. Take half cup of jaggery and add 1/4 cup of water to it. Let the jaggery melt completely. If your mangoes are too sour, you can add some more jaggery to the syrup. Let the syrup boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now keep it aside. Let's have a look at the mangoes. They are cooked well and turned soft. Now strain the jaggery syrup into mangoes and mix well. Cook the mango pieces in jaggery syrup for 2 to 3 minutes so that they are well combined. To make the pachadi little thick, we will add rice flour to it. Take 2 teaspoons of rice flour and add some water. Mix well without lumps. Add this to the pachadi and cook for 2-3 minutes. Now our pachadi is ready. This is the right consistency. You can see the chunks of mango pieces along with the thick sauce like curry. Now we will prepare for tempering. In a tadka pan, take 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds to it. Let it crackle. Now add 2 red chilies along with half teaspoon of hing. Add some curry leaves and switch off the flame. Now add 2 teaspoon neem flowers to it and let it fry. Add tempering to the pachadi and mix well. Serve this mango pachadi with full meal on Tamil New Year Day. But the best combination is with curd rice. Try once and I am sure you will just love it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.